My own view on lectures, my memory from a student was that I think lectures are usually quite boring. I mean, the problem with a large classroom, when you have 50, 60 people sitting there, is that everyone feels that they're invisible. But also when you have a large classroom and you can use Mentimeter for some exercises, usually I use it to make them discuss something and make them interact. We could just record our lectures and put them online, but I think then you lose the interaction. And if we don't have the interaction, I could tell the students to read a book and see me in 3 months. And that's not teaching to me, but I mean, teaching is the activities I do to improve people's learning. My name is Ton Larsson. I'm a senior lecturer in marketing and strategy, so I mainly teach marketing at MDH University. At MDH we have a career path that is also pedagogical. It's a peer-reviewed process where I have to show how I work with teaching, how I develop pedagogical tools, and that is, I think, is a very good thing from the university because it indicates that teaching is important. Very often the signal from a lot of places is that you should be good at teaching, but you will only be promoted based on your research. So I have 2 steps. First, I prepare the academic content, what I want the students to know, and then I would look at how will I make them remember that. Yeah, I think the form how I teach is as important because I can say very important things, but if no one is awake to listen, then no one will remember something. So I really like that with MDH, that this is a place where they actually put their money where their mouth is and say that, no, but this can lead to promotion. Yeah, I think a lot of the learning is the interaction with other people. So it's not just reading a book, it's us discussing things back and forth, maybe putting new perspectives on things. And again, a tool like Mentimeter would allow me to show that this is what everyone is thinking. I think the strength with Mentimeter is that it's so easy to set up. It's very intuitive. So whatever kind of exercise I want to do, I can set it up in 2 or 3 minutes. And sometimes I meet old students and they bring up, oh, that is what you did in the classroom, or you mentioned that. And if you remember that after 5 years, then I'm very happy.